just received a message from NASA who was observing a star named EAS scuti, and it recently went supernova, and the danger is that its radiation is going to hit in 5 days and it will kill all of us. Sorry for the short notice.
This is an important message from the Canadian government, as we have noticed that large auroras have formed in the North Pole. We find this concerning as no radiation has been expelled from the Sun.
Alert. Alert many people are dying. This is not a drill. That this is the entasman harmful levels of radiation has reached Europe, North Asia, North America. That the cause is the supernova has made a hole in the ozone layer. Goodbye.
Alert. This message has been issued by the Australian government. Many people across Sydney has been rioting, and many have signs that says this the end. We will declare martial law to make our stability rise and make our civilians calm. More news soon.
This message has been brought to you by the US government, as many people are dying here as NASA has been observing a massive hole in the ozone layer. Because of this, Texas and other states are starting to become inhospitable. If you are in Texas, leave now to protect your loved ones. Goodbye.